What up, guys? Welcome to Jays4Dayz on Sunday, baby. But it is not a Sunday. It is actually Halloween. So I want to take this time out to say happy Halloween to you guys out there. Oh, wait, we have definitely got to get this going right here. Happy Halloween out there, everybody. Last day of October. I hope y'all all ready to pay y'all bills after we just got done buying shoes over the freaking month, okay? Well, I came on here because I wanted to, for the longest time, for several days now, I just didn't have time to do it. I wanted to come on and unbox, unds, as they say, my first pair of Air Jordan 11s. Now, these are the ones that just dropped. There's a lot of hype on the internet about this shoe. This is my first time taking it out of the box and seeing it for myself. Well, duh, I got the box in my hand. God, just help it. Anyway, so I am going to unbox the Air Jordan 11 that just dropped. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos about this shoe. The sneakers app released it on a shock drop, and I was able to get the shock drop. I hit. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So let me get with the video because a lot of people that I watch that can't get to the video, it really just gets on my nerves. So let's unbox these bad boys, okay? So these are the Air Jordan 11s. They dropped on the sneakers app sometime yesterday. And not yesterday, sorry, sometime last week. And they're here. They've been here. I got these right. I must have shock dropped and hit on maybe Tuesday or Wednesday of last week, but they were here before the weekend. Y'all didn't see that. They came pretty fast. So let's get into it. So one, y'all, I love when I drive up from work because I work and I see boxes on my front porch waiting on me. Love that. It makes me feel so good inside. I mean, I am very money conscious, but it's something about buying shoes. And if you're watching this video and you know all about what we do and you love purchasing shoes, you love being in the sneaker community, please make sure that you like this video right now. If you are not subscribed to the channel, come on, man. Like, look at this. Come on, let me give you the whole Rosie Riveter, baby. I'm working. You know what I'm saying? So subscribe to the channel, man. I would love for you to become a part of the family. This is a safe space, positive space where sneakerheads bring their top 3 Jordans. I try to go live every Sunday. Sometimes that don't happen, but when it does, it's a good time. So if you want to be a part of the family, we would love to have you. Welcome. Press that subscribe button. As you can see right there in the little words that's going across, I don't know what it's called. Yo hablo dos idiomas, algunas veces yo no entiendo inglés, yo no hablo inglés. So every now and again I forget. But please make sure you help me reach my goal. I got about 60 days left of 2023, and I really want to see Jays4Dayz hit 500 subscribers. So if you're even passing through, it don't cost you anything. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Thank you in advance. Thank you. So Jays4Dayz, got it. Okay, so these are the Jordan 11. So it comes in a typical white box. This is my first pair of Jordan 11s. And I'm excited. I'm really getting into like jogging suits. I'm getting more into flannels. I just want to say this. When you come into this life of Sneakerland, you really do change up everything. My wardrobe is completely different just because of me being more into sneakers. And I love it. I love it. Okay, here we go. Jordan 11. These are the brown colors. I'm gonna bring them up just a little bit. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my God. Let's get into it. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna read some things too on my phone about this shoe. But ooh, smells delicious. Ooh, look at that. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, let me put down this box before it fall out my hand. And then we'll get both of them. But look at that, y'all. Whoa. Look at that shoe. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my God. I'm loving it. Oh my God, I can't wait to put these on. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, look at the actual polyurethane. So I'm loving this. That's so hard. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I love how they got the dark colors here and that really pretty tan. It's actually a tan. Online, they kind of can be a little bit of an illusion shoe because they really do online look like this part, the pant leather is black, but it's really not. And typically this is a cloth, but guys, this is actually a leather. If you can't see it, look at that. Look at that shine. All of that is leather. I know in the Concords and some other Jordan 11s that this is a cloth material, but it's all leather, baby. Look at that. Let me give you that 360. Got that Jumpman, that infamous Jumpman. Got the 23 on the back. Oh, I love that two-tone sole. It's just a luxury shoe. Shout out to Tinker Hatfield, man, for being the creative designer around this shoe. And I just found out Jordan 11s are one of Michael Jordan's favorite shoe. So let me see if I take that light off. Oh yeah, you can see it a lot better. So again, first pair, man, and I'm here for it. So let's see what it says about this shoe. All right. I don't really think Nike says anything about the shoe. I know that I got it on the shock drop. I'm not sure what date these are actually going to be hitting. I'm about to find that out for you right now. But I just wanted to come on, do a short unds of the shoe. And let's see, Jordan 11 brown. There was a guy on YouTube. I'll try to link his information in the description box. Yeah, this was a women's release. But he was really good about just kind of telling us the shoe and just kind of giving us it on feet. I will do a short with putting this on feet so you guys can see how it looks. I'm getting my outfit together. But it's not really a lot of information about this shoe online. It just say women's Air Jordan 11 retro. And they are already out. It looks like they are now on GOAT and they're actually under retail. So I should have waited to get this shoe because right now my size is going for, oh no, they're not under retail. Right now this size of women's 10 is going for $222. I paid $200 for this shoe off of the sneakers app. So it says the women's Air Jordan 11. Here, let me put it right here so I don't have to look down. Retro Neapolitan, that's the name of the shoe, features a color scheme reminiscent of the tri-flavored ice cream. Okay, I get that. And Neapolitan is my favorite, baby. Okay. It also says that the iconic silhouette dons, okay, a white leather upper with a tonal webbing eyelets and a glossy patent leather mud guard in a dark brown finish. So this is a pretty shoe. Honestly, this is a really pretty shoe. First impressions, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I really like the feel of it too. It's really, really soft. An embroidered Jumpman logo, which we can see that right there, decorates the lateral collar, while a stylish 23 is, there we go, is stamped on the heel tab. The sneaker is mounted on a white poly midsole fitted with a full length air sole unit for lightweight cushioning. Underfoot, a pink tan translucent rubber outsole. Features herringbone traction pods for optimal grip. All in all, baby, Jays4Dayz gives this shoe 10 out of 10. I like it. Let me grab the other one. So, you got that Neapolitan look. You got that brown on the patent leather. You got that embroidered Jumpman. You got that beautiful 23 on the back. I really am liking the bottom parts of the Jordans. I think they're really cool. I can't wait to put these on feet. I wear a women's 10. Right now, they are going on GOAT for a women's 10 for $222. I believe I paid $200 because all in all, it came to $211. And this is actually going to be my last shoe of 2023 because Christmas is rolling around. I got to get that as a thumbnail. Christmas is rolling around and it's time to start getting them coins put up for some really good Black Friday deals for the kids and the hubby and all the other folks that I spend money on. So here it is, guys. The Air Jordan 11 Neapolitan right here on Jays4Dayz. Very nice shoe. Can't wait to put it on. I will be slapping these on my feet sometime soon. Beautiful fall shoe, you know, just think about it. And I love the fact that this is leather. I did not want cloth. So I'm really hoping these look cute on my feet. All right, guys, I just wanted to come on, man, and show some love, do another unboxing. I'm doing these a little bit more frequently because I actually enjoyed the last one I did. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It really does help out my channel. Also, too, if you did not catch my last episode, which was on Sunday, I did a second annual sneaker battle with these amazing folks. So please check it out. Check out the sneaker battle. It aired on Sunday. I'm not going to disclose who was the winner of that, but I'm going to say that the East Coast is always popping when it comes to the sneakers. The West Coast don't play. Southerners got us. Hey, we coming up. We trailblazing too. But check them out and watch that recording. It was a great time. Just Call Me Nikki out of ATL. We had Ant out of Philly. We also had TG, Not Sweet Like the Drink Baby, out of California, baby. Yay, honey, don't play. We had Chris out of New York, which Chris is a familiar face on Jays4Dayz. Shout out to my boy Chris. And we also had David represent Dominican Rican, okay? He was representing Dominican Republic, also to the Bronx. So check out that sneaker battle. It was really fun, awesome time, extremely educating, and have a good time with it. Make sure you got your drink when you check that out. But guys, thank y'all so much for stopping through. Let me holler at you during the week. Happy Halloween, man. Rosie the Riveter, baby. I was back today at school, and it was one eventful day at school. So thank y'all for tuning in. Like I said, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, so I would like for you, before you leave, to subscribe and like this video. And there are more to come. I'm actually about to unbox the Cherry 12s, so check those out in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace out. Have a good night and stay safe on Halloween. Peace.